Hello, is this Breeze Airlines service?
Yes, sir. Welcome to Breeze Airlines service. How may I help you?
I want to book a flight from Breeze Airline by myself. How can I do that?
Okay, sir. Lets you arrange your travel safely and securely by providing you with real-time schedule and fare information. Once you've selected your itinerary, you'll be asked for your credit card or debit card to secure your online booking. First, you have to go to your browser and search www.flybreeze.com. Breeze Airline website looks like this. Fill up your departure and arrival information and also put dates and search for the flights. Select your preferable date.
Select your seat, and also there is an option if you don't want to select your seat. Then click on Continue. After that, you have to log in if you're an existing customer, or you have to sign in if you're a new customer to complete your online booking. Fill up your personal information and your contact number.
And fill up your debit card or credit card number to proceed your payment.
Click on Pay Now to confirm your booking.
Thank you, madam, for your kind information.
You're most welcome, sir, and have a great day.